This guide will help you improve the performance of Valorant on your system, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and boost performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Installing the latest drivers can significantly enhance game performance. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Valorant and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can help increase your frame rate and overall performance. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Go to your Windows settings and adjust for best performance. Right-click on this PC, select Properties, then Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, choose Adjust for best performance to disable unnecessary visual effects. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting Valorant, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Use the Task Manager Ctrl+Shift+S to end tasks that are not needed while gaming, freeing up system resources for better performance. Step 5. Check network connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically provides a more reliable and faster connection than Wi-Fi. Additionally, consider closing any bandwidth-heavy applications that may be running while you play. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Valorant performance. Enjoy your gaming experience with smoother gameplay.